In the dynamic world of point-of-sale solutions, resellers play a crucial role in delivering what small businesses truly need, which is why we present to you Sound POS, the game-changing solution that empowers resellers. What sets Sound POS apart is that we've been in your shoes, navigating through tricky installations and keeping clients happy. That's why we made Sound POS to make your life easier and your clients happier. Because we have been in your shoes, we know that merchants want an easy-to-install and durable, simple POS. Merchants value solutions that are easily trainable, dependable, and user-friendly with little maintenance from tech support. When your merchants have an issue, you are on call. But with Sound POS, you're never alone. Our dedicated support team is available 24/7, with an average wait time of less than 5 minutes. And if you ever need help, our online hub is filled with answers. We've got your back, always. Sound POS makes reselling a breeze. Need help with onboarding, training, or uploading inventory? We've got you covered. Whether you prefer a one-on-one course or pre-recorded training sessions, we'll make sure you and your team can hit the ground running. Forget about sacrificing quality for profit. With Sound POS, you get both. It's a win-win for you and your business. So if you're tired of dealing with complicated, overpriced point-of-sale systems, give Sound POS a try. Let us be your first choice so you can give your merchants what they need and want.